Hello dear students, I welcome you all in our new session 2020, 20 and 21. I, Vinod Bhatia, your physical education teacher. Today I will teach you a very first chapter of class 12, which is planning in sports. Now planning. Planning is a systematic process and strategy to achieve goal. In other hand, planning is a process to get success. Tournament is a series of contests in which many contestants compete individually or as a team to decide winner. It's called tournament. Now our next topic is types of tournament. According to CBSE latest syllabus, there are three types of tournaments. First, knockout tournament, league tournament, and third one is combination tournaments. Knockout tournament. In this type of tournaments, a team once defeated gets eliminated from the tournament. Only the winning teams get chance to participate in the next round. Bye is an advantage given to a team or an individual by drawing a lot, so they will play in second round directly. Now procedure how to draw the fixture in knockout tournaments. First, total participating teams means we must know how many teams are participating in the tournaments. Now divide whole team in two halves with the help of these formulas. Formula for upper half, n plus 1 divided by 2. Suppose 7 teams are participating, so that 7 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 4 teams will be in the upper half. Formula for lower half, n minus 1 divided by 2 means 7 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3. It means 3 teams in the lower half. Remember this thing, if number of teams are even, then we will divide whole team in equal halves. I have given example here. When 12 teams are participating, 6 teams in upper half and 6 teams in a lower half. These are the power of 2's. Power of 2 means 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, so on. In this number, you don't need to put any formula to draw a fixture. You can draw a fixture directly. One more thing which you have to remember, we always take power of 2 greater than number of teams are participating. For example, 9 teams are participating. Here 9 is greater than 8. So next power of 2 is 16. Now formula for buys. How to divide buys? Next power of 2 minus number of teams are participating. Now how to divide buys? Formula for upper half for buys, NB minus 1 divided by 2 means 7 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3. It means 3 buys in upper half. Now formula for lower half for buys, NB plus minus 1 divided by 2 means 7 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Now how to allot buys. The sequence of buys is. Now again I have draw a fixture. Here I have draw the fixture of 7 teams. Here the 7 is less than 8, so that we have given 1 buy is here. Okay, you can see. Here we have drawn a fixture of 7 teams. Then the next power of 2 is 8. So that's why we have given 1 buy. Already I have told you in the previous slide. One more thing which you have to remember is, again, if the number of teams are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128 and etc. In this number we don't need to put any formula. We can draw the fixture directly. Again I have drawn a picture of power of 2, 8 teams. Here we don't need to put any formula. Directly I have draw the fixture. Now seeding. Our next topic is seeding. This method is good if we know the real strong team. Now one question is raised in your mind. How we know the good team and a strong team? We will see and check the previous tournaments. Which team won the last tournament? So that we will decide the seeding is given to the winning team. Now types of seeding. There are 2 types of seeding. First, simple seeding and special seeding. We will discuss this topic in our next video. Thank you. Be active and be safe.